here to you to talk talking about the Pablo Picasso, painted the old guitarist, one of his most emotional work from his low period, painted in 1903. So during this time, Picasso was struggling with deep sadness after the death of his close friend, Carlos Casage's mass. So this period of grief and poverty influenced his art greatly, turning the violet blue and his subject lonely and sorrowful. So Picasso personal grief. So visual close of the painting, the guitarist face, hand and guitar. So brief example, the painting showed an old blind man hamsham over guitar, so a symbol both hope and despair. Picasso's personal grief is a clear in dust of bold blue tones and express sadness and disillusion. The weak body and third expression of the man reflect Picasso's own feelings of despair during this time. So the guitarist printed is a warming brown, stand out a sign of the artist remaining hope through music. Socio-physical condition of earlier 90s Spain. So visual and photos of Spain in the early 90s, Robert Street, Venetian, etc. Brief example. The old guitarists reflect the hard social condition of Spain and Europe during early 90s. Many people lived in poverty, and artists like Picasso saw the suffering of the poor, the elderly, and the blend of the street. So the through text printing, Picasso gives a voice to forgotten members of society. The man broken posture and worn out clothes with the effect of social inequality and human suffering. So the contextual plane in arts analysis. So visual shows the painting again with soft background music. Strip example. The old guitarist is a power example of the contextual place in art. It shows how understanding artwork context, the artist's emotional, historical, time, and social issues help use in disappear meaning without knowing Picasso brief of the struggle of his society. We may only see a sad man, but with context we understanding that this painting expresses human pain, humanity, and hope. Conclusion: visual fade and out with Picasso. So inclusion is Picasso's The Old Guitarist is not just about the sadness, it's about resilience and the power of the art, expression human condition. Professional closing, art wash away from the soul that does of everyday life. Pablo Picasso. Thank you and God bless.